guys, it's Tina here. Welcome back to my channel. Oh, I forgot to do my point. Now, it's been a while since I've done an in-depth makeup tutorial, and since I'm in Korea for a festival, I thought I would film like a festival makeup look. First things first, let me just clip my hair back. Mark and Scribe just launched these new hair clips, so you can check them out on our website. Ooh, it's really hot in Korea. It's like summer here. For primer, I'm going to be using the Mecca Max Blurring Primer. Then for foundation, I'm using the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. I'm going with a matte formula because I'm going to a music festival and I'm going to be sweating, and I just want something that's going to stay matte. I always like to go in and apply a second layer of foundation in the center of my face and on the areas that get red really easily. The concealer I'm using today is from Marc Jacobs. I'm dragging this concealer all the way up to my nose because I just want to contour and highlight that area later, so the contour is going to look a lot sharper because I've just concealed like under where I'm going to contour. And I'm going to apply this all over my lid as well. I'm going to powder everything with the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. Ooh. That's a lot of powder. For brows, I'm using the Kate Lasting Eyebrow Pencil. I'm just going to follow my natural shape and extend my brow out a little bit to make them longer. Then I'm going to go in with the Dior Show Eyebrow Mascara. This is Pump and Brow. And I'm just going to brush that onto my brows to make them a little bit thicker and bushier. Now moving on to eyes, I'm actually wearing contact lenses. These are the ones from Olens and it's called Russian Silver. For eyeshadows, I'm going to be using my new palette, Run Wild with Petite Cosmetics. This is what it looks like, in case you guys haven't seen it yet. So it opens up like this. You've got a mirror here so you guys can see the camera, and then there's 18 colors. These are eyeshadows up here, highlighters which can also be used for eyeshadows, and down here are my warm blushes and a light contouring shade. First I'm going to go into Flaunt It, which is an actual blush, but I'm using that as a eyeshadow today. It's duochrome, so it has a bit of gold and pink in it. Just gonna pop it all over my lid. Next I'm going to go into this color, which is Heat. It's a berry red shade infused with glitter. So I'm going to apply that on the outer and inner corner of my eyes. And then for my crease color, I'm going to apply this orange shade called Juicy. And I'm just going to use it to soften up the very red color I applied. Then to make the center of my eyes pop, I'm just mixing the two highlight colors, Starlet and Luna, together to get a rose gold shimmer. And I'm just going to pop that in the center of my lids. For my lower lash line, I'm going to apply the Flaunt It blush. I'm going to tightline my top lash line using the Marc Jacobs Fine Liner. And now I want this line to be really thin, so I'm just going to focus on lining the root of my lashes. And then I'm going to go in with the Clio Kill Brown liquid liner, and I'm just going to extend my eye out to make them look bigger. Then I'm going to curl my top and bottom lashes and apply false lashes. I'm going to apply Petite Cosmetics lashes in Unstoppable. Next, I'm going to apply the Chateau Labiot Wine Angle Mascara. This mascara contains little fibers, so it's going to help lengthen my lashes. I'm just going to apply it to the root of my lashes to blend in my natural lashes with the falsies. And then I'm going to apply a generous coat on my lower lashes. So this is what my eyes look like. Now obviously you can wear this eye makeup just as is, but I'm actually going to add glitter on mine because it wouldn't be a festival look without glitter. But first I'm going to apply my blush and contour, and then I'll finish everything off with glitter. For contouring, I'm going to go into Cocoa, and I'm just going to lightly contour with this. For blush, I'm going to use this Coral Matte Blush, and I'm going to apply it really high, like underneath my eye, blending it onto my cheekbones. And now it's time to add glitter! Yay! I bought these glitters today from Holika Holika. I'm going to apply this one first. Then I'm going to add in some silver specks of glitter. And then I'm going to add a star sequin under each eye. And to finish off the look, I'm going to apply my lipstick. This is the Fenty Poutsicle lipstick in Sun Snatched. And this is the final look. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this tutorial. As always, I've listed all the products I've used below. Now I am all festival ready. I'm going to put my shoes on and literally head off now. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That way you can stay updated with future videos that I post. Also follow me on Instagram. I'll speak to you guys next time. Bye!
I see you scheming at me, boy, you got a plan. But you can't break me, I'm my own number one fan. That constant push and pull, don't you know that's my fuel? I'm coming in with the fire that's so unstoppable. I'm taking off, 'cause I'm all I got. And when I'm in my head, I lift it up instead. We gotta